Hello everyone. In this video, we will see what is the implicit data conversion. So let's go away. So suppose if I'm creating one variable x equal to 4 and y equal to 4.5. So if you can see here the x is integer and the y is float. So let's go ahead and add them. So z equal to x plus y. Let me print them. So if you can see here, the value of z is 8.5, which is the float. So now you should know that when you perform the operation on two different variables, the data type of those variables should be same. But now in this case, one of the variable was integer and another one was float. So what happened in this scenario that Python implicitly changed the data type of variable x to float while doing the calculation and then return the output as float. So if I go ahead and let me try to print the type of all the three variables. So if I say type print type x. So if you can see here, the data type of x is still remain integer and the data type of y and z is float. So just while doing the operation, Python convert the data type of integer x to float. This is called the implicit conversion. So similarly, let's go wide and let's see what will happen if we try to add complex number with the integer. Let me say e equal to 2 plus 3j, r equal to e plus x. So e the complex number here, x is the integer here. Let me print r. So you can see here the output of the sum of integer and the complex number is complex. So what internally happened that Python convert this variable x into complex by adding 0 for the imaginary number. So the 4 got added to the real part of e, that is the 2. So 4 plus 2 equal to 6, which is a real number. So 4 plus 2 which is equal to 6, which is real part, and the imaginary part remain same as 3. So let me go ahead and try to do the same thing with the float number. Let me say m equal to e, which is the complex number. We will add y, which is a float. We will say print m. Let's run the program. You can again see here the output is the complex number. So in this scenario, again, the float number got converted to the complex number while doing the addition. So 4.5 plus 2 equal to 6.5, which is the real part of the complex number, and the imaginary number remain 3. So always remember that there are some operation where the Python do such type of implicit conversion. In this scenario, the low precedence variable converted into higher precedence. So the integer had the lowest precedence, then come the float, and then come the complex number. So if you perform any operation of the complex number with the float or integer, your output will be always the complex number. Similarly, if you perform any operation between integer and float, then your output will always be float. One important thing that this implicit conversion is not possible between all different type of data types. So suppose if you're trying to add the string with the integer or or if you try to add the string with the float number, then you will get the error. So let's try that. Let me say a equal to hello world. Let me say b equal to k plus x. If I run this program, so if you can see here, we are getting the error that we cannot concatenate string with the integer. That's all in this video. Thanks to everyone.